Good afternoon and welcome to another BMW video. It's 2013 F30 BMW 318D, and the right rear tail light problem has come back to haunt me. So the complaint on this one is the right rear tail light is playing up again, so first thing I need to do is to just switch ignition on. There we are, let's have a look. We'll have a look at display. It's saying a service is due, yeah. Oh dear, we have the right rear light. So according to the display, I'll just start up and just make sure. So I need to push the clutch in and make sure we're in neutral and brake on. So okay, should have lights on, so I'll have to go right round. Yeah, just open the door so I don't get locked in. And so we seem to have working tail lights. So looking, no sign of water ingress. Oh, I'll get through here. Right, just check indicator. And that seems to be working. So I can't confirm the problem. It all seems to be functioning normally. So what I'll do is I'll get the scan tool up. It's probably triggered the code and I'll need to clear the codes. Well, I've just noticed that that's happening, so that's pointing to an earth failure, so I'm going to have to investigate a bit further. So I've generated a report. Don't know where these other faults come from, so what we'll do is I'll just clear everything, see what comes back. We've established that there's definitely a problem, so 100%, and that tail light shouldn't be flashing, so that's definitely pointing to an earth. So I'm going to get the rear light unit off and do a bit of a wiggle test and see what we come up with. So getting this tail light out is simply just a couple of 10s. You don't need anything bigger than 3/8. So just get these nuts out and the whole thing should come out. And we'll do a bit of a wiggle test, see, because I had to repair the connections to this. I might have to redo them this time. I'll use butt connectors, but if I have to, I'll get them soldered properly. So just have to order some heat shrink. That's all I need. I think I've got soldering iron and solder, so just order some heat shrink and then just redo those connections properly. But possibly this is caused by water ingress, so that's your two 10mm nuts off, so this whole light unit should pull out. Just a little bit difficult doing this one, doesn't it? So put you down. That's a bit easier. So you can see that's the previous repair I did with butt connectors. So I'll just do a bit of a wiggle test and wiggle a repair. Well, that seems to be alright. I'll just shoot indicators on, see what happens. indicator's on, so I'll just make sure that indicator's on. Yeah, and we've definitely got the problem there. Oh, that's not as bad. So I'll just try the old wiggle test. I don't seem to have a bad, I don't think it's a bad earth. The problem, yeah, see, so I'll just disconnect everything and I'll have a look inside, see if I see anything untoward. So I think I might have found the problem. I seem to have a bit of corrosion in there. I think that's what the issue is. So see if I can get that cleaned up, and hopefully that should fix the problem. What I've done is I've cleaned up the contacts. I've got my little file set and sprayed some WD and some contact cleaner. I've also cleaned up the end of the bulb, so I'll put it all back together and just try it out, see if it's working. Everything looks to be working fine. Just do a bit of a wiggle test. Yep, that's all it was, just some corroded connections. So with that, and the fault codes kept coming back for the I'll just go back for the footwell module. So I'll go back in there. I'll just show you the fault codes. Brake light and turn indicator faulty. So if I clear them fault codes, okay, so read the fault code. And there appears to be no codes, and nothing else came back, so we're all good. So I'll just try it a few times, test it a few more times, and just make sure we've repaired the problem. Well, I also found a failed bulb, so I've replaced that because the code kept coming back for the brake light. So let's have a look. We've got all our live data. So as I press the brake light's on. Just put the indicator on. So we just go to rear tail light on. So there's our turn indicator, rear right, that's working. Two-stage brake light, I'm not too worried about that, but everything seems to be fine. Just read the fault code once again. Good, that's not come back, so that is a confirmed fix. I just turn the engine off, turn the indicator off. Alright, start it up, see if anything comes up. No, everything's fine, so I would say that's a confirmed fix. So I'm going to end the video here. So I hope you enjoyed it as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.